Welcome to the Sherby Traveler. You're with Andre. Today, something super special. I am in St. Thomas in a Virgin Island, and I want you to come and ride around with me. I rented a scooter to go around St. Thomas Island, and I'll show you what the beautiful place that is. So if you're ready, let's go right now.
So, I've decided to go around and show you 3 spots, but of course I had no idea how to travel in St. Thomas, and I didn't know where to go at all. And so I used my friend ChatGPT to tell me maybe where to go and what to do. And of course, why I decided to rent a scooter. I normally do motorcycle, but now it's winter, or it was winter in Canada at that moment. So I really wanted to go do a ride. So with the help of ChatGPT and a little bit of GPS, because you got to drive on the left and I wasn't sure where to go, I went around. So let's see those 3 nice places.
Blue water shining in the light from the hills down to...
All right. First up, here in St. Thomas, the famous mountaintop. This place is one of the highest points of the island, sitting about 1,500 feet above sea level, and the view up here is absolutely unreal. I had to say, you gotta do a little bit of a climb, and the scooter sometimes had a little bit of a hard time doing that. I ended up following a tourist bus because I wasn't sure where I was going, and my GPS was in my pocket, so I couldn't really stop all the time. So I followed there and I got right there. So on a clear day, you can actually see Magens Bay on the top, even the neighboring island in the distance. Mountaintop is also famous for its banana daiquiri. They say this is where the original recipe became popular. Honestly, this one place where you think you're gonna stop for 5 minutes and you'll end up staying a little bit longer. I think the view is quite amazing. They have a nice place. And on their website, they say they are the largest duty-free gift shop in St. Thomas. And I would say the shop is unreal. It's really, really big. And you'll probably find any gift you want to buy there at that moment. But that's Mountaintop. I don't think you're going to stay there that long. I think it's mostly a tourist trap, but it's really nice. The view is really beautiful. And there's a lot of nice gifts to get there. All right. Let's jump back on the scooter because the next stop is the famous Magens Bay. Yeah, the one I've been talking about. But I'm gonna show you the road that I did from the mountaintop and through Magens Bay and all the stops. Because, you know, I've realized that in St. Thomas, and one of the reasons why I wanted to go do that in scooter is that the ride is as cool and as memorable as all the destinations that are included. And stick around because you really don't want to miss Magens Bay. I think it's the dream beach that you imagined before the trip.
Driving up the mountain road so high, island colors under open sky, ocean shining in the golden sun, St. Thomas calling everyone.
Feel the breeze from the Caribbean Sea. This is where I'm meant to be.
Island dreams in St. Thomas tonight. Blue water shining in the light from the hills down to Magens Bay. Paradise is calling me this way. Island dreams in the ocean air. Palm trees dancing everywhere. Every moment feeling free. The silence brings the best of me. The silence brings the best of me.
Like I was saying, when you go down to Magens Bay, all the views and the place you stop are as amazing as the stop itself. I'll show you a couple of pictures that I took at that moment. And if you're traveling with the bus, I think they're gonna stop there, like you were saying, also at the same time. But stick around because you really want to see the island, because that's what we're seeing right now. It's the Magens Bay from really far away. It is one of the world's most beautiful beaches because of the heart-shaped bay. It's very calm water because the bay is naturally protected and is popular with crews, but I didn't see that many people, and you'll see that in a moment. And it's really great for swimming and relaxing. It's less rough wave than many of the other Caribbean beaches like you'll probably see in others of my other places that I went in the Caribbean. But let's enjoy that moment again together.
For our second stop, Magens Bay on the St. Thomas Shore. Wow, just look at that. Colors are amazing, tranquility, that's what you want, that's what you're gonna get. So, come with me. I think there's a couple of buses tour that will come and go around, but most of the time there's not that many people. If you go further to the beach, it's gonna be better for you, but you have the tranquility of the bay with sea water, so I think it's quite amazing. Just make a stop down the hill after we went to the mountaintop. Best place, I think. Super nice.
And now for our last stop, we're going to Sapphire Bay. It is what ChatGPT suggested. Is it good? Is it not? I have no idea. Of course, you probably saw that I sped up most of the time that I go on the scooter, or else you'll find it quite long. It was like a 5 or 6 hour ride that I did during the day, so I want to show you as much as possible, but I don't want the video to be that long, so of course I will sped up the time, the traveling time that I go from one place to the other. So let's see how it goes and where we're going to Sapphire Bay, because I had no clue, no idea where I was going again. And one thing, if ever you do go rent a scooter, put some sunscreen, because my arms were completely burned at the end of the day. You'll see also I put some gloves later on because the hands were burning also, but I did put some cream, but it looks like it wasn't enough for that moment. So let's see where we're going now.
So, Sapphire Beach. Supposed to be my third stop. It's more like a resort thingy. You have images showing right now, but yeah. Unless you rented on a hotel there, but I still think the beach is not the same as Magens Bay, so hey, why not?
it is the end of our trip around St. Thomas Island. I have to go back and bring the scooter to the rental place. If ever you need information about that place, it was quite catchy at the beginning. I wasn't sure if I was doing a good thing, but I was. I loved the scooter. It was quite brand new because I've seen in other Caribbean places the scooter were like just, I would say, dead, messed up, broken and everything. That was practically brand new. So it was full fun. If ever you want to do like I did, don't forget you got to drive on the left if you're used to driving on the right side. Once in a while, I was on the wrong lane and there was somebody in my way. So is it to visit St. Thomas? Oh yeah, you got to stop. You got to look. If ever you take a cruise of the Caribbean, you'll probably stop there. So go see Magens Bay. I think it is really, really nice, like I've said in my video. So I'm gonna let you go on that. If you like, please like and subscribe. This helps me a lot. I don't do a lot of videos. I do it once in a while when I have the time because it's not my full-time job. I'm just doing that for fun. And I hope you enjoyed that video also. Please like and subscribe again. So we'll see you on the next adventure, my friends.